Hey guys, welcome to another video. That hey there is for a guy named Halal. He's the kind of guy that never modifies a car. Don't be like Halal. Be like me, a guy that's constantly thinking about the next potential mod on a vehicle. Even before I buy a vehicle, I'm thinking about all the possible mods that I can do to the vehicle. Okay, and if you're anything like me, first thing you're going to want to do is upgrade the alloy wheels. Okay, quick transformation, very cost effective, and dramatically changes the look of the car. You want to go wider, bigger, but with that comes a problem. The arch is rubbing against the wheel. Okay, but don't worry, we have a solution for you. Okay, roll them, flare them. Okay, quick and simple solution which will totally transform the car. Sit back, relax, watch the video, let us know what you think, and if there is anything we can help you with, hit us up right now.
شو أعمل إلي شو قلبي معلق فيها من كتر الحاجة الحكيو صاير بحلم فيها شو أعمل إلي شو قلبي معلق فيها من كتر الحاجة الحكيو صاير بحلم فيها جنن 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 الله يكرمني فيها جنن 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 الله يكرمني فيها
Roll the arch on this vehicle. If you don't know, it is a simple but very effective method where we roll the inner lip of the arch and stretch it a little to give it that little extra clearance between the arch and the wheel. Okay, and makes the car look absolutely amazing when it's stanced and sitting really well. So do go bigger and wider, and if you do have any problems, come and hit us up. We've got a solution for you.